Now let's go back and look at the information that we're given. All right, we see that we're given a number 80 that's next to the percent sign. That means that this 80 goes wherever the percent sign is in the proportion, that's where the 80 is going to go. And the 20 goes into the total amount. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to set up my proportion again. And I know that 100 always goes here, so that's a given. The 80 had the percent sign next to it, so 80 goes here. I don't know what this box is. This box represents the number that I got right. If this side represents the number that I got right, this side is going to represent the number that I got wrong. And remember that 100 always goes here as well. The total amount of questions is 20. 20 is the total amount. 20 is still the total amount. Because of this 20, I'm going to get some questions right. Of this 20, I'm going to get some questions wrong. So 80%, I'm trying to find, so I got 80% right. So remember that these words always have to match. Right and right. This certain number wrong means that I have this percentage wrong. If I got 80% right, what percent did I get wrong? We said the total percent that we can get is 100. So if I got 80% right, that means that I got 20% wrong, because 80 plus 20 gives us the full 100%. Now it's easy from here. All you do is cross multiply whatever two numbers that are across from each other. You're going to cross multiply, then divide. So I'm going to take my calculator. If you have a phone and you go to the calculator, you're going to get a regular calculator that pops up. But if you turn that phone to the side, you will get this calculator that pops up. Now let's go back to the regular calculator. Now, in order to have that to pop up, you have to scroll up. You see this lock button? Make sure it says portrait orientation lock on or off. So I'm going to hit it again, and now it says the lock is off. If the lock was on, I'm going to go back to the calculator. Pull it up. When I try to turn the calculator to the side, you don't get that other calculator that pops up because the lock is on. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to turn it off. Orientation lock off. Then I'm going to go back to the calculator. I'm going to turn it to the side, and now I can use the squared, cubed, exponent, square root, cube root. So don't get these mixed up. The square root, the one with the little 2, is what we're going to use. So for this case, I'm just going to do 20 times 80. So 20 times 80 equals, and don't forget to divide by the number that's left out. So it's divided by 100 will give you the answer to the empty box. So divided by 100 is 16. So that means I got 16 questions right. Now I don't even have to calculate it to find out how many I have wrong. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I got 4 wrong. But let's cross multiply and divide and see if the calculator gives us the answer of 4 questions wrong. Let's see if our formula works. So I'm going to do 20 times 20 divided by 100 equals 4. That's how we know that our answer is right. So we got 20 questions total. We got 16 right and 4 questions wrong. So now let's go back to the question, because you don't want to be confused. The question was, how many problems did he get right? I want you to calculate both of these for every question, but for your answer, where it says A, you're going to write the student got 16 questions right / correct. And that's it.